Hello, this is the demo for our IT Senior Capstone project. I have with me Antoine Turner, Sean Taylor, Byron Jackson, and I'm Daniel Hill. Um, Here is our code here. We are using Python and Flask to make a website that connects to a database. We don't know if we're going to use Mongo or SQLite, and it will take information from this form and it will display it on a confirmation page once you confirm the order. And also it will have a working shopping cart and shopping system where you can add items to the cart. They'll be stored in the cart and they will display here with a total. And that's the gist of it. Um, so far we have a couple pages. Here is our checkout.html. This is the checkout page. So far, we do not have shopping cart functionality, but we have been talking with you, Professor, about that just today. You gave us some tips. We're going to use JSON objects to store the individual items in the shopping cart, and we will also do the same with the information from the form on the checkout page, but the form objects will be stored on the database. The um, shopping cart items should just be stored in memory and pulled from the different web pages. Um, we have almost finished the different HTML pages. As you can see, we got a simple home page. It's got some links and a button that also takes you to the shop page. Our shop page is the biggest work in progress. We plan on having a couple different categories of items that you can add to the cart. They'll have prices, a description, and a name. Um, and then we have the checkout page. Um, the idea is with this, it will display the items up here. It will total up their prices and display it here. In the list of items, it should give you the option to remove each one. And then to go forward, you will input information in these inputs for the form. And you'll hit confirm order and it will take you to a confirmation page. The confirmation page has not been built, but it's basically going to be a blank page saying your order has been completed, verify this information, and it will return the information from this form and display it on the page, and it will give them the option to confirm the order on that page, and it will um, change the attribute confirmed on the JSON object to true, and it will empty the shopping cart and um, clear out this information for the next user. Anything to add to that, Antoine?
I think we pretty much covered all of it.
Right. And I should mention that Byron and Sean are here. They're just having microphone issues with Google Meet, and it's a little short notice, so we can't really choose a different platform. Um, we've got some notes here for running it, our CSS. We have some stuff here that Byron's been working on as he experiments with the JSON objects and the database. If Byron could speak, I'm sure he could explain this better, but I'm recognizing a lot of JSON elements and some connections to the SQLite server database. Seeing here. Here is our home.py. This is how we run it using Flask. Um, the app route slash, that's the home page, slash shop is the shop page, slash checkout is the checkout page, slash confirm is the non-existent confirmation page. Or it exists, but there's no link to it within the website at the moment. Um, but I think that is everything so far. Our plans for the next week are to work on the JSON elements for the checkout and for the database storage. Um, Thank you.